A telephone call. Hi Alice, it's John. How are you? Oh, hi John. I was just thinking about you. That's nice. I was wondering if you'd like to go to a movie tonight. Sure, I'd love to. What's playing? I was thinking about that new comedy, Lights Out. What do you think? Sounds great. Okay, I'll pick you up around 7:30. The movie starts at 8. See you then. Bye. I was wondering if you'd like to. This is a polite and indirect way of asking, do you want to? To pick someone up. To go and meet someone or something that you have arranged to take somewhere in a vehicle.